Earning money online is an absolute dream for many people. Just imagine how fantastic it would be if you make money from the comfort of your home, sipping your favorite beverage in your own style. Millions of people all around the globe are making a living online, earning much more than you can even imagine. Working for not more than 3 to 5 hours a day, pursuing their entrepreneurial journey and living their dream lives. These people not just make good money, but they also have more quality time to spend with their loved ones. And above all, earning money online isn't a pipe dream anymore. Anyone who is watching this video is very much capable of making money online. You just need to know the best ways and the best tactics to get started. So friends, get ready to witness the most promising ways to make money online in 2021. So the number one way with which you can make money online in 2021 is none other than freelancing. Do you know that the global freelance industry is worth more than $30 billion? That's massive. And you don't even need any specific talent or a degree to get started as a freelancer. All you need is some spare time to learn skills such as content writing, technical writing, Photoshop, website design, voiceovers, marketing, SEO, website managing, copywriting, social media manager, and many more than this. I know you might already be possessing a lot of skills to get started as a freelancer, and that's a great thing. But you need to start honing those skills to charge competitive rates. Now you might be wondering, what would be the best way of getting started as a freelancer? And the best answer to this question would be registering yourself on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Both these websites are two of the most successful sites for freelancers. They have millions of registered freelancers making a living out of them. So, let's have a quick sneak peek into the two of the most popular freelance marketplaces. Upwork.com is one of the best websites with which you can easily get started as a freelancer. It has a very simple yet highly helpful and effective interface, and thousands of new jobs are being posted on Upwork every single day. All you need to do is register as a freelancer on Upwork and create a splendid profile. Remember, the better your profile, more will be the chances of you getting hired by prospective clients. You can make anywhere from $100 to even $1,000 a day on Upwork. You will be surprised to know that there are a lot of freelancers on Upwork that easily make around $5,000 to even $10,000 a month, and that too working part-time. But that obviously depends on the level of their expertise. Fiverr, on the other hand, is another massive marketplace for freelancers. In Fiverr, you are supposed to create gigs based on what you can do. And literally, on Fiverr, you can get paid to do almost anything. You don't even need to be good at something to make money on Fiverr. For example, just have a look at these gigs. People are seen charging for just becoming your online friend and counseling. You gotta kidding me, you would say. But friends, this is absolutely true. And this is something anyone could do in 2021. So a pro tip of getting started on Fiverr would be to write an awesome gig that stands out from the rest of the gigs. And that's how you can make money online from freelancing. So guys, before stepping on to the second best way of making money online, there is something very important that I must tell you. Like any other business venture, your online income takes time to grow. You need to be devoting the time and energy required to get your idea off the ground. Nothing significant is going to happen overnight. If you find any online guru or any YouTube video talking about making easy money online, they are just fooling or deceiving you. Dude, this is 2021. Competition is ever increasing in almost every field, and you need to understand this. Nobody becomes a millionaire overnight, but yes, if you are willing to give your time and energy to the ways that I am talking about, guys, no one can ever stop you from making money online. I'm telling you all these things because I want you to be successful. I don't want you to just see this video, because I know the happiness involved behind the first paycheck that you make online. So friends, the top 5 ways to make money online that I am talking about in this video are extremely effective, and moreover, there is no limit on how much you can make. So the second best way with which you can make money online is none other than affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of marketing and selling the product of other people or other company that pay you a fixed commission after every sale that you make through your unique link. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't even need your own product and you can promote almost any product of your choice, as 81% of the overall companies and brands rely on affiliate marketing. The real beauty in affiliate marketing lies in the fact that you get to master the skill of selling, and that too without even creating your own product. When you learn the skill of selling, you are no longer an ordinary man. There are many people who have made millions through affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing industry has already surpassed $16 billion worth and has always been an evergreen place to make money online. So, if you think you can sell products, or if you are good at recommending products to people, or this is something that you would want to learn, then dude, this is what you should be doing in 2021. There are n number of affiliate programs, as we already discussed, that 81% or more of all companies and brands have their own affiliate programs. But today, I am going to tell you about the two of the most successful affiliate programs to get started, to get into affiliate marketing. The first program is obviously the Amazon affiliate program. Guys, the Amazon Associate program is undeniably the biggest affiliate program in the world. You are free to choose from the millions of products that the website sells. You get paid around 1 to 10% commission on every successful sale that you make. Obviously, the commission rates are quite low because Amazon mainly has physical products that involves high production, marketing and shipping costs. So guys, in order to make money from Amazon, you just need to get registered on Amazon as an affiliate, and then you can choose the product of your choice, create a link and then sell that product and then promote the link wherever you want. So guys, this was Amazon for you. But what if I were to tell you that you could sell products and earn over 75% to even 90% commission on every sale that you make? You might call me a liar, but only if you didn't know about ClickBank. Yes guys, ClickBank is one of the world's leading affiliate marketplaces with thousands of great digital and physical products. Guys, ClickBank pays you around 75% to even 90% commissions on products that you sell. The products on ClickBank are very easy to sell thanks to their highly enticing video sales letters. To start promoting products on ClickBank, create an account on ClickBank that hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes and then promote the links of your favorite products. So moving on to the third best method of making money online, which is YouTube. When it comes to making money online, YouTube can never be neglected. Having a great YouTube channel with good uploads not only gives you fame but also unlocks numerous ways in which you can make money online. Guys, YouTube is just like a business. There are several ways by which a YouTube channel can make money. Some of the methods with which you can make money online using YouTube are ad revenue, affiliate marketing and sponsorships, etc. All you need to do is upload good quality videos constantly and then see your earnings rise like a jet. So number 4 way with which you can make money online is Instagram. A lot of people falsely believe that you need to be rich or famous to make money from Instagram, which is actually an ugly myth. Because with Instagram, you can make easy money just by spending over 30 minutes on the platform on a daily basis. But how? For example, look at this page. You might have seen several hundred pages like this on Instagram, but did you know that these pages actually make money? Yes, these kind of niche pages that you see on Instagram make anywhere from $500 to even $10,000 a month. Yes guys, yes. But how? Unlike YouTube, Instagram doesn't have its own ad network, so Instagram doesn't pay you. But when you have a significant number of following, you get a lot of promotion offers from similar pages and from brands that are related to your niche. And also, you can also make money on Instagram by promoting your own products or promoting some affiliate products or promoting services related to your niche. And guys, growing an Instagram niche page is no big deal. Many have done it and you can also do it. So guys, moving on to the next best, 5th way and my favorite way of making money online is blogging. Blogging can be very lucrative if done the right way. It's true that a blog takes a little more time to take off, but when it does, you can literally make a lot of money with a blog. If you have a passion towards writing, then blogging could be one of the best ways for you to make money in 2021. Just choose the niche of your choice, because when you do this, the work that you do doesn't seem like work, it becomes a passion. And making money while pursuing your passion gives exceptional contentment in life. So, these were the most promising ways to make money in 2021. It's time that you now start learning more, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to learn more stuff like this so that you could too be a pro in making money online.